Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you are here. First off, real quickly, just want to thank the channel members. Thank you guys more than you know. I want to thank anybody that comes through to take the time to check out my content. I appreciate you. If you like it, if you're into EDC and knife content, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, I promise to keep it coming out and it'll notify you when different things happen on the channel and it'll really help the channel out. So today we've got a super stoked unbagging that I have been waiting for, and I've not been in a rush. Those of you that were on the live a few weeks ago, I'm actually recording this on Friday, the 10th, I believe, the day that we're going to have Friday Night Flicks. It is Friday. This unbagging just came in, so I'm just getting to it, and we will have Brother Jason Grant stopping by tonight. These are JKals. They're Brass Brigade, aka Jason Grant, handmade fixies using my Amazon razor knife that needs to have a new blade put in, but I like it because it doesn't mess everything else up. Now these will be packaged up very well. Tippy just woke up. I apologize, guys, for any meowing you might hear or any cat that you might see through this video. One of these is the Kill Bill that we were looking at on the live stream a couple of weeks ago when Jason was showing us what he was working on. He had several knives that night that he was working on, and I spoke up for a few of them because I am a huge fan. Of little fixed blade knives. And Jason Grant, in my opinion, I'm a huge fan of the gripper and the tripper, both of those production knives that were produced by Best Tech but designed by Jason. And when he started doing fixed blades, for any of you that are new to the channel, I just became absolutely in love with them. This is the Kill Bill. This is a little flat grind, black micarta, yellow liner, red pivot tube for the Kill Bill theme. It's a little worn cliff. I don't know if y'all can see that blade. Just a absolute little banger. Sharpening choil, perfect for me grip. And I'm talking thin, guys. That is delicious. Check this little guy out. Guys, I love these knives and what Jason's doing with them, with the different finishes, the different textures. Check that out. I mean, can you guys see that? I'm literally speechless. You got those mosaic pins. Holy shit. Thin little Slurpee saver. Yeah, as Jason would say. Guys, I need to clean these up. I need to get them good and edgy. Let's see how, because I don't have Jason put edges on them. That's something I always do. Let's see what we got just from off the wheel. Guys, all I can say is my jam, which I was kind of a folder guy. Always, you guys, if you've watched the channel for any amount of time, I kind of got into fixed blades late before I got into slip joints, but JKals, if you like small fixies or if you like larger fixies, if you want a made in America, just really cool knife, the commonality is the handle, but the personality goes throughout depending on materials. This is a great example of a satin next to kind of a granite apocalyptic finish. This is a full flat, starting at the top, coming all the way down. And this is that's a 3/4 flat, this little guy. And then this is a full flat with this wicked swedge. I don't know if you guys can see that swedge. Guys, that is a JKal unboxing that stokes me out. And I hope to see some of you guys, if you're available, to hang out tonight on Friday Night Flicks. I think Brother Grant's going to stop in, talk knives for 15, 20, 30 minutes, show us what he's been working on. And I've got a bunch of stuff to show you guys, but I am so stoked that these came in today. I will get this uploaded right away so you guys can take a look at it. I thank any of you who've taken the time of your day to stop by and absorb my crazy knife journey content. I appreciate you more than you know. All I ever ask is if you'll please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.